Welcome! This is the unofficial Reevio video training course, and I'm Damon Nelson with VidPenguin Productions. This is exclusive video training on the 3 tips to master video ads that actually sell using Reevio. So today what we're going to talk about is there's 3 video tutorials in here. The first one is the Facebook cover videos. I'm going to show you how to make Facebook cover videos using video, images, and text. If you had bought the upsell, you got that template. And that template can be used for a bunch of different things, and there's some really cool stuff that you can do with it, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. And next we're going to talk about live mockups and what all you can do with live mockups. And this is the same thing that you've seen in Video O's, the live version, and the drop mock videos. So I'm really excited about showing you this. You can use it for a lot of different things: Facebook ads, ads within your own website, and just some teaser videos that you put in different forums and blogs. And then finally, I want to talk about our motion title promos, and sometimes they're called kinetic titles. And you've seen them in PowerPoint, you've seen them in other software, but you haven't seen it like this. And they're very easy to do, and that's the beauty about Reevio. So here's some of the things I'm going to talk about. First off, Reevio is an online-based video editing software. That's a good thing, and it's also a bad thing. The good thing is you have a lot of different products inside of Reevio, and you get a commercial license with this. The other good thing is when you render your videos, it's not tying up your computer, so you can go out and do other things on your own desktop or your laptop. You can use it with Mac and PC. Your videos are stored online, so you can actually preview them online after they're completed. You can download them and you can share them straight into Facebook if you want to do that, or straight into YouTube. That's some of the good things. Now, here's a few of the bad things, and most of it is caused this week and next week, and it's called launch week overload. Because this is a SaaS-based online software, during their launch, there's a lot of people that bought it, and a lot of people are trying it, and they're doing different things with it. So you have the greatest demand right now on the server capacity that they have. So over the course of the next few weeks, they're going to be adding server capacity, but also the demand for immediate videos and rendering is going to go down. So the render times are going to be shorter. It's still a little bit longer than it would be on your own desktop computer. Over the course of the next probably 30 days, you'll have some pretty decent renders on here. So I'm excited about it. The only thing I don't like is you don't get to preview the video before you render it. So you have to render it, and sometimes it could take 20 minutes, 30 minutes to render out. And that's only because it's launch week. And then you watch it and you find out, well, you had a misspelling. So you have to go back and redo it. The other thing I don't like is you can't edit the video. You have to duplicate the video and then edit it. So it's one extra step in there. But what it causes your library, your video templates, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It causes a lot of these versions. So I have version 4, 3, I've gone up to version 5 on some of these. And really, the best way to learn this is just do it. You make a mistake, hit the duplicate button right there, and it will duplicate it and start the video editor for you. And right now, again, what I would do is I just put a new version on there and then hit continue. And it tells you how long it is. It's 24 seconds long. When you're ready to submit the video, you just click submit here, and it auto saves. That's a good thing. So once you're inside of here, you're going to be looking at, here's the video itself, and these are the original templates that you're going to be modifying when you hit video preview. It's not a preview of what you've done, it's a video preview of the templates. But you can go into each scene and preview the templates. So you know there's 2 letters in there, and there's a backdrop image or video. And the cool thing with Reevio is you can do images, you can do a solid color. and you can also put videos, and they have a good library of videos, and it's also hooked up with Pixabay, their videos. And the images are hooked up. If you got Usign, you can connect Usign to it. You can add your own images from your hard drive. You can also, Pexel and Pixabay are integrated along with their own library. So we're going to go over that in the next 3 videos. So let's get started.